What's this crazy prank I'm about to do?
Pose. Hi guys, so we're back again in this video. That's our jersey right there, and this is my friend crying. What's your name? What's your full name, my friend?
What's your full name? What's your full name?
We're gonna ask. What's your name, my friend?
Okay, I'm gonna ask.
Kamata ka rin yun. Okay, back to the question. How much is your teeth cost?
Sorry.
Oh, ito. What's your name, my brother?
What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
Okay, so
What's
what's your name, my friend?
your name?
Ayla.
Full name.
Sulay Ayla El Castillo.
Congratulations, you won nothing.
Okay. We're going someplace. Huh? Private. Wow! What an insane place. So guys, this is our bus. You know. Picturing. Yes. And that. We love you.
Kintin ah.
Hey, my friend, come here.
What's your name?
I have a question for you.
Question.
Question. What's your full name?
Nick.
No, your name.
Kasi for direct, di ba tawa?
Okay, congratulations.
Ada question me. Kung ang bulak ay cotton, ano naman ang bulaklak?
Flower.
Wrong.
Since amamuda ka, we will give you one more chance.
One more chance. Kung ang bulak ay cotton, ano naman ang bulaklak?
Flower.
Is that your last final answer?
Sunflower.
Last?
Cotton flower. Listen.
No. Ano? Guess. Oh, repeat the question. Kung ang bulak ay cotton, ano naman ang bulaklak? Ha? Cotton? Isa lang? Correct!
Congratulations, you won a piece of
Ano na tayo, G? Ano?
20 pesos!
Yay! Thank you for playing. So, awang kwarta ni Jamicon.
Sure ka? DJ. Tanga pa kay DJ.
Peke ka, pinte.
Thank you.
So, Lemon,